Spring is a season of renewal and fresh beginnings, and your wardrobe should reflect this vibrant energy as the weather transitions from chilly to mild. It's the perfect time to embrace lighter layers, soft pastels, and playful prints. Here is a comprehensive guide to creating stunning spring outfits that will keep you looking chic and comfortable all season long. Floral prints are synonymous with spring. They are timeless, feminine, and perfect for embracing the season's natural beauty. A flowy midi dress with a soft floral pattern is a spring staple. Opt for light, airy fabrics like chiffon or cotton for a breezy feel. Pair with strappy sandals or espadrilles for a romantic daytime look. Wrap dresses are flattering on all body types and are perfect for spring. Choose a dress with a bold floral print to make a statement and complete the look with a wide brimmed hat and wedges. For cooler spring days, a long sleeved floral maxi dress is ideal. Pair it with ankle boots and denim jacket for an effortlessly chic outfit. Spring weather can be unpredictable, so having versatile layering pieces is key to staying comfortable while looking stylish. A classic denim jacket is a must have for spring. It pairs well with everything from dresses to skirts and provides just the right amount of warmth for those breezy days. Cardigans are perfect for layering over your favorite spring tops. Opt for a lightweight, oversized cardigan in a pastel shade to add a touch of softness to your outfit. A trench coat is a timeless piece that adds a polished touch to any spring outfit. Choose a neutral color like beige or khaki for maximum versatility. Spring is the perfect time to embrace the softer pastel colored palette. These colors are fresh, light, and perfectly capture the essence of the season. A pastel blouse is a versatile piece that can be dressed up or down. Pair it with white jeans for a crisp, clean look or with a floral skirt for a more feminine vibe. Switch out your regular jeans for a pair in a pastel shade like blush pink, mint green, or baby blue. Pair with a simple white tee and sneakers for a fresh, casual look. For cooler spring days, opt for a softer pastel sweater. Pair it with a floral skirt or over a slip dress for a cozy yet stylish outfit. Spring is all about having fun with fashion, and playful prints are a great way to inject some personality into your outfits. Polka dots are a classic print that never goes out of style. Choose a polka dot dress or blouse in a fresh spring color for a fun retro inspired look. Gingham is another print that screams spring. A gingham dress or skirt is perfect for picnics, brunches, or any casual spring outing. Stripes are versatile and can be dressed up or down. Opt for a striped midi dress or a striped button down shirt paired with jeans for a chic, nautical inspired outfit. As the weather warms up, swap out your heavy winter pants for breezy, comfortable bottoms that keep you cool and stylish. Wide leg pants are both comfortable and stylish. Choose a pair in a lightweight fabric like linen or cotton and pair with the fitted top for a balanced silhouette. Collares are a great option for spring. They are easy to wear and pair well with everything from blouses to crop tops. An A-line skirt is flattering and perfect for spring. Pair it with a tucked-in blouse or a crop top for a feminine, sophisticated look. For those laid-back spring days, you will want outfits that are comfortable yet stylish. Here are some casual essentials that are perfect for spring. It includes graphic tees, denim shorts, and sneakers. Ruffles add a touch of romance and femininity to your any outfit. They are perfect for spring and can be incorporated into your wardrobe in a variety of ways. A ruffled border is a great way to add a romantic touch to your spring wardrobe. A ruffled dress is perfect for spring events like weddings, brunches, or garden parties. A ruffled skirt is a fun, flirty option for spring. Pair it with a simple top and sandals for a cute, casual outfit. Accessories are key to completing your spring outfit. Opt for pieces that add a touch of personality and flair to your look. It includes straw hats, statement earrings, and layered necklaces. The right footwear can make or break your spring outfit. Opt for styles that are both stylish and comfortable. While spring is known for its mild weather, there are still some chilly days. Having chic outerwear options is essential for staying warm without sacrificing style. Lightweight trench coats, bomber jackets, and leather jackets. A leather jacket is perfect for adding a bit of attitude to your spring wardrobe. Pair it with a floral dress or casual jeans and tee combo for a cool, contrasting look. Spring is all about embracing fresh, light, and playful fashion. Whether you are dressing up for a special occasion or keeping it casual, there are endless ways to incorporate the season's trend into your wardrobe. From floral dresses and pastel palettes to statement accessories and chic outerwear, these spring outfit ideas will ensure you look and feel your best